Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kisang Mau Lepentem bahaga jengelang pej banyak ke sorkar Jela hak lai teri ujemang arja arpusau ban pen kelut ya ke nong bak Shillong layathir halor ki Jaka yang kali ke jeng pen bet ya ki surok bat ki weipan. Ulaong bagi Jaka yang kali lepen kre hak ki Jaka bekongsan ke nong bak Shillong ku Muhammad Pran Polo Phase 1 Additional Secretariat Maukar Polo Phase 2 Yo Lat Mukra Anjali Yo Maulong bat klik yo. Nalor ki weipat ki benta Menteri Rangba ulaong ba anda lepen keneria eko Ophis PWD na Barik an sepen kelaya ka kum ke Jaka yalang patba na ke benta ki kam beper ke Jaka yang kali ke Pak bat ke Jaka ban Ïeng ke Lama kari India.
The meeting today was a massive program for working towards the second phase of decongestion of Shillong city, and in the first phase, as you're aware, that many government lands which were lying unused have been transferred or shifted to urban affairs, and urban affairs has gone ahead and created parking lots like you've seen in the one in Watsley, in Negrims. Then we have tendered out the forest department in Polo, the MECL one in Polo. These have been tendered out, and in some places the work has even started. So now, continuing with that entire momentum, we have gone through the different processes of now using more government property to create more parking lots. For example, in the Barik point, there is a program to shift the PWD office, which is happening very soon, and convert that again into some parking space and green space. And as I said, we'll be hoisting the national flag there, which will be a large 40-meter, 50-meter flag, which will be hoisted. Like that, certain government bungalows, certain spaces like the Barik, the bright bungalow. Yeah, so the bungalow there will be used for parking, and we'll be creating more space there. Simply in Hydri Park also, once we are able to shift the animals from there, which we expect in about 3 months to 4 months time to shift the animals, we will be converting some area from there also into parking space, as well as expanding some park for civil hospital. So all these kind of discussions took place, and overall the land that are available with certain departments which are not being utilized in the most efficient manner, we have worked towards rationalizing those lands, whether it's in Shillong city or other parts of the state, and detailed presentation on that has been given, but it will not be possible for me to, of course, give you all the facts of these. But we do expect that when this happens, there will be much more open space, much more parking space, and the vehicles which are parked on the road now will be parked in the parking spaces, and we'll get space to also expand the road. For example, we are going to be expanding the road and creating footpaths from Shillong Club all the way going up to the Governor House Junction, and all the way going to the Pinewood Junction. So there the land of the forest, the tourism and the forest department, which is Watts Lake, we will take some space from there, extend the boundary wall and create a walking space for the pedestrian, so that people have a space to walk out there. So these kind of micro plannings were done. On the correct time, we will give you more details about it. But all these were discussed, and we have approved all these, not approved, but we have seen the presentation today. Even places like the Barik one, we expect that already the quarters and the office space for the PWD officials is already under construction, and we expect that by July we'll be able to shift them to the other location, and we'll be able to take over the Barik point and convert that into a small park and parking space, and also hoist the flag on the 15th of August.